There's a question from Sayyid Hassan on the YouTube. Assalamu alaikum, Dr. Zakir Naik. How are you? I am Sayyid Hassan from Hyderabad, India, civil engineer by profession. My question is one sheep ram is enough for one household for sacrifice? The question is that is one ram or one sheep or one goat sufficient for sacrifice for one family? Is permitted. If you have the capacity and you want to sacrifice, very well, even sacrificing one goat or one sheep or one ram, and the Prophet did that, for the full family sufficient. If you have the capacity and if you are wealthy and if you want to give one goat or one sheep per person, even that is permissible. Or you can take a cow and that can take care of 7 people in the household. But the basic question is, yes, one goat or one sheep on Eidul Adha, the 10th of Zilhijjah, or the 3 days following that, Ayyam Tashriq. Any of these 4 days, preferable but natural, is the first day on Eid. You can sacrifice one goat is sufficient for the complete family.